2003 Buick Park Avenue, 62,000 miles. This is a California vehicle, so rust-free. It looks great. It had some small dings and scratches, and we touch up a little bit, but for the most part, the car is clean. It was garage cab, and it's rust-free, and the paint is in good condition. I would give it 8 out of 10 for the paint. And the interior is nice. It's a light color. It shows a little bit wrinkles, but mostly it's a nice car in nice condition. Interior, I also give it 8 out of 10. It runs and drives great. And let's start. Okay, and it has steering wheel control of the steering wheel, automatic clamp control, and let's take a look at the engine bay. This is the 3.8 V6 GM engine. Very reliable, very simple to maintain engine, and it's coming from California. It's rust-free. Very nice car. This is the Park Avenue. The best of the Buick made in 2003. Lowmilecars.com. Lowmilecars.com.